Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make some leggings. I've turned the leggings inside out and simply folded them in half. And then we're just going to do a basic accordion fold all the way up to the top. I'm using kite string that I purchased at Ace Hardware to secure the folds. I finish it off with a basic double knot. For these leggings, I used my recipe for small batch dye, which I'll link down below. leggings sit for about 20 minutes and then I came back, and now we're going to add Imperial Purple all over the back. When doing a dark back like this, you want to move quickly, and you want to continuously move around the item so that you don't oversaturate in one spot. I put the lid on my container and I let these batch for a minimum of 24 hours. These actually batch for 48 hours. That's just my personal preference because I want the most vibrant colors possible. Now it's time to rinse, and I always start by using cold water to stop any soda ash that might still be left in the item, and then I increase the water up to hot. When the water is running basically clear, then I'm going to take it to the washing machine and do a hot water cycle. I do another hot water cycle using Synthropol, which is a textile detergent, and then I do a final hot water cycle using Milsoft to soften the items back up. So here are our leggings after they've been washed and dried, and I think they turned out really cool. Could have had better saturation on the hot pink, but I don't mind the white. It sort of gives contrast and makes the colors pop. I don't know, what do you think? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.